It's gone. My house. It's gone. The American economy finally caught up to me, and this is what they left me. Well, except for this. The 5 times the cooling power of wet ice. Penguin brand dry ice. And this dirty McDonald's cup, which I believe has a poo in it. Which I'm not gonna find out, so that's great. This used to be my hallway. The magic of editing. I used to be in a yacht club too. That was fun. This is my sexy door frame. I could still be sexy in it. So the landlord said I had to repaint my walls or I wouldn't get my deposit back. Well, I didn't get around to it, but someone else did. That was nice of them. They did a good job, I think. Also, along with the sexy door frame, I had sexy walls. Clearly they still work. Used to be good. Used to be. Dramatic fade. Hey, thank you for watching this pointless video. I know the whole time while you were watching this you were thinking, boy, Todd really lost his marbles. And the honest truth is yes. Yes, I did. Now, as you can tell, the reason I wanted to make this video is because I wanted to show off this lovely establishment, which, by the way, used to be a dairy farm for mentally ill people. I'm not even kidding. So thanks for hanging out. You can go away now.